About a year ago, we picked up our family of 6 and decided to shuffle the pages in our story.
Who the heck shuffles pages? It's like shuffle a deck of cards,
Okay.
not pages.
We're shuffling this story. Okay.
Maybe we like change
We
chapters.
said goodbye to an uber comfortable 4,000 square foot suburban home and moved into a 1,300 square foot Garrison Colonial.
Don't get me wrong, that would still be comfortable, but sharing one bathroom with 6 people in one house, you get the idea. We originally bought this house to fix up and flip and resell, but that felt kind of easy and predictable.
So let me share a not so secret about my amazing wife here.
Aww.
Easy and predictable have never been in her playbook. Let's just move in and see what happens, she said. It took a hot minute.
Super hot minute.
Yeah, super hot. But everybody finally got on board, and so began the next chapter that we like to call
The Live and Flip.
This move also inspired me to start this channel and document some crazy ideas and Lauren's designs.
I hope some of our videos are like super informative and inspiring, but most of all, we want you to try.
Try to paint that old tile in your bathroom, or paint the vinyl siding on your house.
Maybe build some cheap shutters out of fairing strips. Or heck, build a designer kitchen out of some stock cabinets at Home Depot and then maybe paint them purple.
Purple?
Purple.
Okay. Or why don't we build an unconventional concrete bag wall in the backyard?
It may be also purple.
Okay, maybe.
Sometimes we try and we come up short, but remember, the only true failure is not trying at all.
With every try, we end up learning something new, and we have a little fun along the way.
If you're a new homeowner or an extreme DIYer or just a weekend warrior, consider hitting that subscribe button and follow us on this journey.
Maybe you'll learn something.
Maybe not.
But one thing's for certain, we're going to have a blast and probably make a mess of things.
That's for sure.